Oh, these are probably lighter, I think. Hi guys. Hi. I'm Sarah. If you're new to my channel, here's a link up above to get you caught up on who I am and what I'm all about. Alright, anyway, for those of you that saw the last video where I unveiled the wheels for Teeter Tots, ta-da! I am going to get them mounted on tires right now. That's why Forrester Gump is making a ruckus in my driveway. That cold start though. What I'm not sure about is if I have hub-centric rings already for these wheels. I don't think I do. I'm at Harrison Performance. Why don't I put my seatbelt on? They're the ones that are gonna mount the wheels and tires for me. So I'm gonna back my car up to the garage bay so we can unload the wheels. So this morning I ordered a set of hub-centric rings for these wheels and I didn't realize that they included some in the box. So I express shipped them, same day shipped them for no reason. I'm gonna break away real quick and show you guys some of the cars that are here right now because it's like an ever-changing thing with the different cars are here. So inside they had the GTR that was at SEMA. They had two cars at SEMA. They had the GTR that was, I think it's 2,000 horse, and then there's another one out front. But this is what caught my eye right here because I had a Zenki 240 in high school. I believe this one's a 95, I think. Mine was a 96. And this one's got an SR swap. It does not look, well, it doesn't say SE, but it's debadged. It is a 5-lug though, so it has to be a SE model. Unless it has leather, then it's a LE. No, it's cloth. It's SE. It's got the sunroof. I forgot the name of this color. And I know a lot of people hate this blue-green color. It was really popular in the mid-90s. But I absolutely love it. I think it's such a pretty color. It's clean. It's not messed with. No one's ruined it. Simple. I would love to have a 240 like this. Just keep it clean and stock looking. To stop real quick and film this. They were moving a Connex around the building. They just carried it over all the cars out front already. This poor guy in the forklift has to be so nervous. They're gonna try to move this New Edge Mustang out of the way so it doesn't get smushed if that falls. Is it gonna hit the tree? Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, look at all those spider webs underneath it. Oh, that's so gross. Okay, wheels are in the back of the Gump. It smells like hot rubber in here. Wait, that's kind of weird. MR2, and gonna have to move this guy out of the garage so I can get the TT on the lift. Nice and clean-ish. These will be my track wheels, and these will be my street wheels. So I think I'm gonna get these things refinished in powder coated gloss white. Stereotypical entry. Hi. I just lost my train of thought. I just really wanted to do that. take off these wheels, I just gotta put it out there that my brakes on this car need to be replaced. The rotors are giant balls of rust right now, and it's still a stock 225 TT calipers. You know what I didn't get? I didn't get new wheel studs. That sucks. I'm gonna have to order a set. I'll just change them out later. I'm gonna go get my scale out of my house and we're gonna weigh them and see if I've removed any unsprung weight from this car. Factory Audi TT Comp wheels with old Federal 595s. They're 45 pounds. Here's the new wheels. Oh, these are probably lighter, I think. 41.8. So these TSWs are 3.2 pounds per corner lighter than the factory 17s, and these are 18 by 8s. I believe the factory TT comps are 17 by 7s. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I think they're 17 by 7s. So larger tire, larger wheel, 3.2 pounds lighter per corner. So this is actually a performance upgrade, putting these wheels and tires on for more reasons than just one. Obviously it's a grip upgrade, but it's also a weight savings upgrade because there's less weight that's unsprung now. I keep saying the word unsprung. I'm just really pumped. That's awesome. These are lighter. Okay, get the rest of these wheels off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. A little heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick them all on a piece of cardboard, and I'm just gonna paint the tops of them. Just mist them lightly with some satin black engine enamel. Just a light little coat just to clean them up a little bit. Satin black, that'll work. Maybe this one, half 20. Oh no, it's metric, it's the Audi. Oh well, who cares? I'm gonna get new ones anyway. I really don't know if this is gonna work, but I figured give it a shot. I'm taking some of this Hydro Silex, the stuff that I put on my Forester. There's a link up above if you wanna check out that video. Yeah, I figured try it on the wheels. I mean, why not, right? Let's give it a shot on the wheels. See if I can keep these guys clean. The moment of truth. It's time for me to put these wheels on the car. So I'm gonna do it in a clever camera angles, so that way you don't see the whole car and the whole wheel. That way when I do the reveal at the end of this little montage, it's like, ah! You'll enjoy it. Well, that's it. Those are the new wheels and tires on Teeter Tot. I'm happy. The one takeaway I can say from all this is these wheels and tires are way nicer than the rest of the car. Teeter Tot has a long way to go. A long way. But I have hope for this car. The next thing this thing needs is suspension and brakes. Definitely suspension and brakes, because the wheel gap is horrendous on this thing. It looks horrible. So definitely need to take care of that. And then the brakes, aside from them being completely worn out and just need to be replaced and they're full of rust, they look pretty pathetic behind these wheels. So yeah, that's next. And obviously the vinyl wrap will be coming, an exhaust, and some seats. So I'm not sitting on ripped fabric with duct tape. Once again, I have to give a huge shout out to Rhodes Wheels and TSW for sponsoring the wheels on this car. Without you guys, it would still just be a teeter turd. Now it's more of a teeter tot. Or something, I don't know. Thank you though. And I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.